Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Yeah, welcome to another episode, man. First of all, I want to say thanks to Kiepe. Yeah, for sending me this t-shirt. First I thought it was a Baba's cape. Then later on, I open it up and now I see it's a t-shirt. I want to say thanks to Kiepe for sending me that. I, yo, yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Kiepe Prescelta. It's a silver one, a silver box. Okay. And at the back, you find the clipper, the guide comes, got 7 watts, 45 to 60 minutes charging time, and 120 till 150 minutes operating time. Not bad. It's a really good one. And it got 7,500 RPM. So this is the clipper, and this box, the way they designed it, it's just like Kiepe Power Up, whereby you can pull out this one, just the same design. And I was removing the charging dock. It's here because I was plugging it. I was charging this clipper. So 5 guide combs, and it's one magnetic guard. Okay, and here you got oil, little brush, and a lever. So this one, it's not a clicky lever. This one is a free lever. So you got the option to choose if maybe it's a free lever or a clicky lever. Charging cable, it's a long one as usual, and this is the charging dock with the Kiepe logo on it. It's a good one. And this is the clipper. I really like this box, It's really nice. Nice design, See that? Prescelta on it. Okay. This is the clipper. It's a very beautiful clipper. So this is a Kiepe Prescelta 2.0. See that? So I was oiling it already, and it's a clicker lever, really good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicking lever, and the power button. Like I said before, got 7 watts. And I don't really know how many milliamp battery. This is the manual. So on the manual, it's not written how many milliamp battery, but I guess it's 2,500 milliamp battery. And This is the charging dock. See that? Very stable. I was charging it. When you are charging it, when it's charging, the light here will be on. When it's finished charging, the light will goes off. Okay, so got hybrid blade. See that? With Kiepe logo on it. First of all, we're gonna start with lever open. I'm gonna try to put this wall wedge blade, fade blade, on this clipper, if maybe it can fit. And this is a real new one. It's a new blade. Okay, I guess I need to put a little plastic on this cam follower because it's a little bit, see that? See that? It's a little bit too big. And when you don't put the plastic, it will make a lot of noise. So let's try. See that? So I'm gonna try to pull this plastic. So I hope it will hold. So let's make an RPM test. Lever open. You know, some people were commenting that I should put this clipper under the where the microphone is. It doesn't mean if it's here or here, you know. As long as the room is really quiet, you can put the clipper anywhere. It doesn't mean it has to be where the microphone is. Okay. See that? No changes.